So listen, if you realize that you have to become an entrepreneur if you want any shot at wealth in 2025, but you have absolutely no fucking clue what industry or what business model that you could actually start to get to making your first 1, 5, 10K online, then the AI gold rush is by far one of the best routes to look into. And I'm going to show you one of the most profitable business models that any beginner entrepreneur could actually start in this space. Now, first off, what you need to know is where's the money actually at in AI? And a good majority of that money is in the marketing and sales processes for business owners. So this is where AI can assist with business owners and their websites and their paid advertisement pages, their Google Maps page to get found more often and rank higher in Google's local search engine, answer phone calls from there, text messages, etc. Also AI outreach to do cold calling and cold email campaigns using AI automation, of course. You see, the reason why selling AI solutions are so scalable is because they're worth a lot of money, but the software and the systems are doing most of the work. You can leverage AI tools like AI agents, AI chatbots, AI SEO, create content or workflows using AI. Now, how do you actually be able to set up and start selling some of these software solutions as soon as tomorrow? First, go and create an account with this software company called HighLevel. And through their software, you're actually going to be able to set up a lot of these AI solutions, these AI voice agents, these AI text messages. You can even set up these automatic appointment and booking workflow bots all through HighLevel software, collect payment, everything else in between that you need to actually have a real life AI solution that is valuable that you can start selling. You can even go to their website and paid advertisement template library and get yourself a website around what your AI offer actually is. You can not only charge hundreds, even thousands of dollars in setup costs, but more importantly, you can charge monthly subscriptions, numbers like these, single month. So the more clients you get, the more near passive automated income you can start making every day. Now, whole time, the real sauce is that HighLevel's platform is something called white label. That means that they'll literally let you upload your very own business name, logo, branding, URL on their software and then resell any of their profitable AI features as your very own so that you can actually start your very own AI software product online instead of starting your very own AI service-based business online. I know that may sound confusing at first, but essentially it's just dropshipping, but with software. And if you want a step-by-step guide on how you can actually start and execute this ASAP, just comment the word send and I'll shoot you over these full walkthroughs and tutorials, show you exactly how to do just that completely for free.